Welcome to Coding Craft, the channel that helps you master the craft of coding. In this channel, we'll be exploring the world of programming, with a focus on the popular language, Python. Python is a high-level programming language that's easy to learn and use. It's used in a variety of applications, from web development to data analysis, machine learning, and more. There are several platforms for Python IDEs, including PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook, Spyder, and VS Code. Each platform has its own features and benefits, so it's important to choose one that works best for your needs. If you're just getting started with Python, there are several books that can help you learn. Some of the most popular ones include Learning Python by Mark Lutz, Python Crash Course by Eric Matthes, and Automate the Boring Stuff with Python by L. Swigart. Python is used in a variety of real-life applications, from data analysis and visualization to web development and machine learning. For example, companies like Google, YouTube, and Dropbox use Python to power their services. In future, we will describe following in our tutorials: basic syntax and data types, control flow statements, functions and modules, file input and output, object-oriented programming, web development with Flask or Django, data analysis and visualization with NumPy and Pandas, machine learning with scikit-learn and TensorFlow. With so much to explore in the world of Python, there's no better time to start learning. So join us on Coding Craft as we embark on this exciting programming journey together.